Kundalini is a concept in Hindu and yogic philosophy that refers to a primal energy or life force believed to be coiled at the base of the spine. The term Kundalini is derived from Sanskrit, with kund meaning coil and alini meaning like a serpent. According to tradition, this dormant energy is often depicted as a serpent, coiled 3.5 times around the base of the spine in the area known as the Muladhara chakra, or the root chakra. When awakened, this energy is said to ascend through the central energy channel known as the Sushumna, piercing through the various chakras or energy centers along the spine until it reaches the crown of the head, where it unites with the universal consciousness. The awakening of Kundalini is considered a highly transformative and spiritual experience associated with states of heightened awareness, bliss, and enlightenment. However, the process of Kundalini awakening can be intense and potentially destabilizing if not approached with proper guidance and preparation. Various practices are said to help awaken Kundalini, including yoga, meditation, pranayama, or breath control, mantra chanting, and specific tantric rituals. These practices aim to purify the body and mind, balance the energy centers or the chakras, and create the necessary conditions for the safe and gradual awakening of Kundalini energy. While Kundalini awakening is often described in spiritual and mystical terms, it also has parallels in psychological and physiological explanations. Some researchers suggest that experiences associated with Kundalini awakening may involve changes in brain chemistry and neural activity, leading to altered states of consciousness. However, before you embark on the thrilling journey to awaken and raise the Kundalini energy, you should have a clear and detailed knowledge about the chakras present in your body. Chakras are subtle energy centers within the body according to ancient Indian spiritual traditions, particularly those found in Hinduism and yoga philosophy. The word chakra is Sanskrit for wheel or disc, indicating their dynamic and spinning nature. These energy centers are believed to play a vital role in regulating the flow of prana, or life force energy, throughout the subtle body. According to yogic philosophy, there are 7 major chakras present in the human body. Each chakra is believed to correspond to specific physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual aspects of human experience. When the chakras are balanced and energy flows freely through them, it is thought to contribute to overall health, vitality, and well-being. However, imbalances or blockages in the chakras can lead to physical illness, emotional disturbances, and spiritual disconnection. Various practices, such as yoga, meditation, breathwork, chanting, and energy healing, are used to balance and activate the chakras, facilitating the harmonious flow of energy throughout the subtle body. Working with the chakras can be a great tool for self-awareness, personal growth, and spiritual evolution. As Kundalini energy ascends through the Sushumna Nadi, it interacts with and energizes each of the main 7 chakras.